Welcome back to the channel ICT Traders. I told you that I was going to record every single trading day of my life. If I have a winning trade, if I have a losing trade, because there is a lesson to learn in every single trade you're taking out there. So I had a losing trade right here. Even though it started moving, it came up to more than 1:2. I refused to close it, and then trade came back and stopped me out. Now the question is, how do you handle a losing trade? How do you handle a losing trade? Because a lot of people struggle with this in the market. You feel there is no reason why you should lose in the market, or you feel like you're doing something wrong, that's why you're losing. Now, I've shared so many winning trades with you throughout this series, and I've shown you how I've gone through, trading small accounts to a big account using every day strategy. But then today there is a losing trade, because that is part of trading. I want you to feel comfortable with this, because any trader out there knows that the reason why there is a stop loss in the market is because the market has a potential of taking you out whenever you are wrong. All right, and sometimes you may even be right and then have a losing trade. So let me show you everything I went through before having this losing trade. I did my analysis correctly with the community guys in the morning, and I believe those of them that followed me through this analysis might have been stopped out, except if they later moved their stop loss to break even, because price actually came to this area almost 1:2 from here to here before it came back up there. So I know some of them may have moved their stop loss to break even, but if they never did, definitely you might have gotten stopped out. That was a 17 pips target. All right, almost 18 pips target from here to here. 17 pips, I guess, target. But then I got stopped out from that particular trade, and it's normal with trading. I want you to feel it's normal. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable when you have a losing trade. The only thing is that you are not supposed to be having a losing trade that is above your risk capacity. All right, that is why you have a stop loss. I have had so many winning trades. Like last week, I've had all my trades to be positive. This week, I'm starting with a losing trade, but just 4 pips losing trade. So this was what I saw. GBP USD, early in the morning, we came together with the students on my VIP group. All right, it is yet to be public yet. It will soon be public. Everyone will get access to it. But then we came together and did analysis. We started from DXY. All right, DXY was what we checked first before taking trade right there. And then guys, before doing anything on every single week, you need to do your fundamental analysis check by going to a credible fundamental news release website such as fastbull.com. I use Fastbull for all my fundamental analysis. You can check it right there. If you come over here, you go to economic calendar, you're going to see the news update for that particular week, completely from Monday to Friday. All you need to do is to check around and see what is going on. There is also 247 news release on global economic news. This is just a news update you want to check right here on fastbull.com. It's right here. And aside from that, there is also AI signals that often come up on this particular platform. Now, if you are struggling with finding your buyers, you can actually see everything right here. This is signal generated by an AI. You can check it right here on Fastbull. So basically, that was what we did. We checked economic news release. There is not any high impact news for today. And then we decided to come to DXY to go to the daily time frame to check what was going on. We saw that price actually traded into this particular order block, and we saw these rejection candles right here. And when I saw it, I said, okay, I have this feeling that DXY was going to go bullish, and today happened to be Monday. Normally, Mondays have struggles when having a bias, because Mondays doesn't give you the complete bias of the market. You can only have some of the Mondays give you bias. All right, so it is mostly hard to have weekly bias from Mondays, and you can only have accumulations, and then Tuesdays begin to give you manipulations. Wednesday, Thursday, through Friday, you have price moving up in that level. So I saw this happening this morning. I saw Monday swept. This was the Asian range. It started from Asia. I saw Monday, and there was a sweep of liquidity below the low of Asia right here. All right, sweep of liquidity. I said, okay, I have a feeling that price wants to do something unique. It wants to just finish with that liquidity below and start going up to that direction. But then I saw price also trading into this liquidity area. When I saw price sweeping this liquidity right here, I said, okay, I could take advantage of the smaller movement to the upside and make some money from that particular move. Then we decided to go to GBP USD to do our analysis. We discovered that GBP USD was also doing the same thing. On the 15-minute, I saw price actually having this. Let me delete everything and have just a clean chart so I can show you how this happened. I saw GBP USD trading above this area from last week. All right, it traded above there, and it also swept liquidity on Asia's high. All right, this was the high of Asia. Price swept liquidity trading into this particular fair value gap. I say, wow, this is amazing. So that was exactly what we needed to complete our analysis. Price actually traded into this area. It was only this particular fair value gap that we did not trade into. So I said, okay, we want to see a shift in market structure on the lower time frame, such as the 3-minute time frame or the 1-minute time frame. Now we have the sweep of liquidity and we have a shift in market structure right here on the 3-minute time frame. Right here was where we had the shift in market structure. Let me delineate it for you so you can see it again. This is it. This was exactly what I saw. Market structure shift right here. And I said, okay, I told them that I was going to take trade right here. You see where I put my fair value gap because of this particular mitigation block. I said, if price was to come here and I discovered that the volume of this price reversal is actually small, I was going to take the trade without any hesitation. I was going to take the trade, and we decided to activate the volume indicator. I was showing them how that volume is important in terms of such small retracement. I saw the retracement coming in. You can see these two candlesticks pushing up. Look at their retracement volume. It's weak. I was telling them that this sell was going to work because of this weak retracement. I saw that coming in. Immediately, we activated the trade, and the trade actually started moving in our direction. Look at it. Price came here, but I was watching it. I wanted to deliver to the complete directional movement before I take my profit. And then price came back. Boom. And I got stopped out. Now what happened? Do I go back for a revenge trading? No, guys. And this is the lesson I want you to know. You don't shift your stop loss. You don't shift your stop loss. Do not interfere with your losing trade. Look at what will have happened if I have shifted my stop loss. Let's say if I said, okay, price was going to push up here. Let me give it more chance. Look at what could have happened. Price is now going deeper into my stop loss area. And this is why there is a stop loss in every trading platform. You need to activate your stop loss to avoid getting into deep loss. Now, tomorrow there may be an opportunity, or maybe even in the New York session, but then I have already mitigated this loss. I have cut it short, just 4 pips, all right, just around 5 pips maximum was what we risked. Not there. Let me show you. It was somewhere around here, just above this fair value gap. All right, above these highs we have right here, and it was a decent stop loss. Very rational. This is something that normally happens every week. Now, 2 things to do when you are dealing with a losing trade. Number 1, you don't interfere with your stop loss. Cut your losses short immediately. Don't let it go deeper. This is the lesson you must learn. Now I've just lost 5 pips. I may have another trade that will give me 20 pips, and then that will cover up for all the losses I have done. It is as simple as that. The reason why you're blowing your account, the reason why you're losing money in the market, the reason why you keep repeating the same mistake is because you allow your emotions to get over you. I got stopped out, and so what? All right, and so what? The next time I come, I don't do revenge trading. I don't increase my stop loss to cover for this. No, this was part of everything I've made. It was part of the trading that you are doing. Losses are part of it. The only difference is how much you've lost when you have the loss and how much you've won when you had a winning trade. That is the only difference between a professional and a successful trader and a struggling trader out there. Now you have seen, if I had moved my stop loss to here, thinking that price was just going to go up and come down, now look at how deep my losses will have been. Look at how deep my losses will have been right here. All right. So this is what I want you to learn from this particular lesson, from this losing trade I took. It is pretty much easy and straightforward. Do not interfere with your stop loss and allow it to play out. If you got stopped out, and so be it, you will have another chance to take a good trade. You will check the playlist and see all the good trades we have taken so far. So many good trades, and this is part of the bad trades that maybe we have taken. Maybe we had a mistake in our analysis, and it's possible to have a mistake, or the higher time frame is playing bigger. All right, this is all about the lesson, guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. I will make a video responding to that, and you will know from us. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.